matter, mind and body, my apologies. Did I say mind and matter, mind and body? Monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are... Hold on. See? There you have it. Life is quite an unpredictable phenomenon, if you ask me. You know, you have synchronicity and serendipity. Like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve. They wear spirituality on their sleeve. It's like a 15-minute first impression. And the stuff that... So let's just say sporadically I drop my finger on the paper. So it's a point at the horizon where the two receding lines... Language, man. It's a vibration, it's an energy, it's a... How do I put this into perspective? I don't think... Duality means rigid distinctions between mind and matter. Mind and body, my apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that like the underlying mechanism of their personality and characteristics. I tend to encounter a lot of people who wear spirituality on their sleeve.